Very good evening, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. You, you have ever looked at a chart and felt that price was moving randomly. You might have felt like that. See, if it is the price is like that, and if you go to the lower time frame, 5 minutes or 15 minutes, if you are an intraday trader, you cannot make out what the price is doing. That was a very, very, what I can say is a question for a trader. How to take the trade, where to enter. Entering becomes difficult. When, see, today price gap down. You are not knowing where to take the trade, when to take the trade. You would have missed it out. One candle up, one candle down, suddenly a breakout, suddenly a reversal. For years, I had the same question. How do professional traders and algorithms identify market structures so quickly? Algos will identify the market so quickly, and you might have seen by fraction of a second market reversing so many times. While retail traders are still trying to understand what is happening. Now, in the world of algos, you need to be very quick enough to take the trade with minimum stop loss. That is very, very important. You should match the algos. That was my question. This question stayed with me throughout my trading journey. The more I studied price action, Gann concepts, market geometry, and intraday behavior, the more I realized that price does not move randomly. Yes, it has got its own thing. The challenge is that these structures are often invisible to naked eye. Yes. That realization became the foundation of what I later developed as Nalini grid zones. Nalini grid zones was not created to predict the future, right? It was created to help traders visualize market structure. I'm telling you, market structure in a simple and practical way. Think about the human eye. Light travels at incredible speed and reaches our eyes, allowing us to instantly recognize shapes, patterns, and structures. Similarly, modern trading algorithms process price information at extraordinary speeds. Retail traders cannot compete with computers in speed, but we can improve our ability to recognize structure. That's why Nalini Grid Zones was designed with this philosophy. I designed this with this philosophy only. Instead of staring at a blank chart and trying to guess support and resistance levels, I need not guess the support and resistance levels. The grid provides a visual structure. I have not applied the indicator, friends. I am showing you the blank chart. I'll show you after application of the indicator. When price approach, these zones becomes a reference points. You need not struggle. Where is there? You need not mark the level. Say here, can you imagine the gap is here, right? Did the market fill that gap? No. You will wait for the gap to fill and you will miss the trade. By the time you enter, it will be very late. See here with my indicator, when price approaches a grid level, traders can observe reaction. Will price respect this grid level? Here, the grid level is 24,000. Yes, it comes to 24,000 or something. Grid level, it is plotted as 24,000. Can you see the low made was 24,020? When price approaches a grid level, traders can observe reaction and question, will price respect the level? Will it break through? Will it consolidate? These observations become much easier when structure is visible. One of the biggest challenges traders face is identifying market shifts early. So with this indicator, you can identify the market shift with your color coded. It has been color coded Nalini grid zone, grid indicator. You can see very quickly at the speed of light. Most traders realize the trend has changed only after a significant move has already happened. Of course, I created Nalini Precision Engine. Nalini Precision Engine has been coded for the rolling pivots. That is, it is coded for hourly. It picks up only after the 12 candles hour when the price moves above that. So to solve all these problems, I created the Nalini Lorentz system. Nalini grid level. As price transitions from one zone to another, traders can immediately say changes in behavior. The market begins to communicate its intentions through movement between grid levels. Now, it is enough. I talk too much. Let me enable the indicator. Now, you can see it. You can see here, I've enabled the indicator. This is the base grid line. It is giving it as a support. The within how many candles? I am on the 5 minutes candle. Within 15 minutes, it is saying it is bullish. The market is reversing. It is plotting green, and you can see if you go there from the start of the beginning. I'll show you the playback mode. It will plot you are in the bull zone. That itself is enough. It is giving you transition of the market structure instantly. Even if you go to the very minute time frame, 2 minutes. Can you see over here? 2 minutes. It is turning around. Turning around at the bottom itself, you are getting the base grid line and you are taking the trade very early at very, very, very low price. So your stop loss will be very minimal and you are competing with the supercomputers. So we need not draw any support and resistance. By the time you draw support and resistance, the trade will be gone. Everything, Nalini grid zone, it takes care of everything. And you are seeing visually green color coming up, popping up. And also the message, it says it is in the bull zone. What more you want? Actually, it doesn't create any confusion. You are psychologically comfortable with the base grid line forming. This is the base level and the price turning, and it is the green color turning around. It is the market shift. See, you need not go on applying any indicator whether the market shift. I used to do that actually. I used to mark lower high. Let me show you how I used to mark. I used to take this line and I used to take lines like this. I wanted to see for the market shift, lower high, and this was the shift. I need not see there. See, there is a shift, but it's a trap. Here, exactly after the trap, you are picking it is grid level is turning into green. Yes, friends, this is the consistency. A structured grid creates consistency. Every day, every chart, every observation begins from the same framework. This reduces emotional decision making. That is very, very important. Emotional decision making is been solved. The grid is not meant to replace your trading strategy. It is meant to enhance your understanding of market structure. Instantly, by the time I used to put lines over here and see, you cannot, when the live market, it is very, very difficult to make shift in the market structure. It has been coded for the market structure speed, competing with the supercomputers. So now you can combine with the price action very easily and you can take the trade. Even you can apply 100 period moving average, 200 period moving average, or anything, whatever you want, you can apply and you can take the trade. Even you can apply the market profile. I'll pick up the fixed volume profile and I will apply over here. The point of control, it's not plotting over here. It is very, very far. It is also lagging. Everything. The volume profile comes only after so much of run up. See, the market structure profile is coming. Point of control is here. And value area low is here. But you are taking the trade with the help of the Nalini grid system instantly. Instantly, market structure you can see. Let me remove this. Instantly, you can see the market structure. Let me make it so that step line so that you can see very clearly. Let me remove the drawings. See the market shift along with the Nalini grid. Isn't it beautiful? This is consolidation breakout. Price breaking about this level, and once you take the trade in between red color, it doesn't bother you. You are not going to enter into this rut. This is the market every day it does it. It goes sideways to confuse the traders. You draw a line over here. So 24,105 becomes yours next support. Let me change it to candles. See, after that, so much of whipsaws. You are not going to get disturbed by this. Another grid level, it is crossing the another base grid level, becoming positive. So you can keep the stop loss 24,126 and you can go there. And it is marking the bull zone immediately after that. That is the beauty of this. It is very simple. It has been coded to ease the trader's tension, make them very efficient, trade with consistency. Even a small child, a newbie can trade with confidence. If you found this concept useful, subscribe to my channel, Smart Index Edge, for more trading insights, market structure concepts, and unique tools designed to simplify trading. And this indicator is a paid indicator. If you want to get access to this indicator, WhatsApp me on this number 9845209600 and you will get the details about the pricing and everything. So, friends, this is 24,100, 24,000 call option. Morning market gap down with the Nifty. Base grid line has formed at 90 rupees. You are taking the trade with the stop loss, you are not worried. And when price crosses from one grade, 99 rupees, you are placing the stop loss at 90 rupees. And it is saying it is in the bull zone. Let me playback mode, playback and show you how you could have traded. Let me make it little bit slower. Playback mode. Let me make it slower. See, it is plotting a bear zone. Still it is showing bear zone. Can you see over here? You are not going to take the trade. I am on the 2 minutes chart. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles have passed. That means 14 minutes, 16 minutes. Still we are in the bear zone. But the grid line has been formed. Base grid line has been formed. See the immediate reaction. It is coming as a bull zone. You are entering into it. It is traveling along the. You are not bothered. Once you enter, if a red candle comes, you are not bothered. Your entry is here around 96 rupees, and your stop loss is here, and you are entering at the lightning speed of the algos. You are matching your trade with the algos, friends. Can you see from 96 to now it is running 153? It is the previous base grade from where it had become bearish. So your entry is here. Why do you bother? Why do you bother when it gives you red color candles? So your stop loss becomes 118 and you are holding the position. The grid will support you. Only thing what you need to do is you have to change the chart time frame to grid type. How to do it? Let me stop it. You have seen how it is performing. That is enough. Let me stop it and show it to you. See how it is moving above. Let me stay over here. Let you people enjoy the price action. See, now it is 172. It has crossed the previous grid zone. See the move. It went up to 288, friends. From 96, 288. So much. See, you have to wait for that. Yesterday I made a video about the compression of the premiums, behavior of the premiums. Go and watch that video also. I will attach in the description. Same video, go and watch it. See, you should know what is the behavior of the premiums and then you can take the trade. So you are not bothered about these intermittent corrections, because this is your green zone. Let me put it here. This is your green zone. Your entry is here. You are not bothered about anything. Now it is running 166, 185 now. It finally reached 288. Let me not go for the playback mode. Let me stop it. Let me stop it over here. So this is how you can trade the trade very efficiently. I wanted to show you the performance of this indicator so that it becomes very easy for you to take the trade. Thank you very much. If you want my indicator, please do message me on my WhatsApp number so that you will get all the details. It's a paid indicator, friends. If you are serious only, you can contact me. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.